Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my switcher and all of those options are gray. That means that autofill is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!